Hey everyone, we are on lesson 4, where we are talking about rate of change or slope. So the rate of change is the ratio. It's also a fraction that shows how one variable changes with respect to another. On a linear graph, the rate of change is our slope. So slope is written as a ratio, where the vertical change, or my rise, is related to my horizontal change, which is my run. So like I said, ratio means fraction. In simplest form. So anytime that I can reduce, I'm going to reduce. Variable for slope is m. And what my ratio or my slope is just a constant. So it's that constant change. So with the fraction, we do rise over run. So we have 4 different types of slopes. We have a positive slope, where my line goes up. We have a negative slope, where my line goes down. We have a zero slope, where my line goes side to side. We have an undefined slope, where my line goes straight up and down. So when finding slope, again, we do rise over run. We always start with my leftmost dot. So my leftmost dot looks like I'm going up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going up 4 over 5. That fraction cannot be reduced anymore. For number 2, start with your leftmost dot. Looks like I go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 over 1, 2, 3. 6 over 3 can be reduced to 2 over 1, or just 2. Start with my leftmost dot. It looks like I'm actually going down, down 2. Down 2 is signified by negative. Down 2 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That can be reduced to negative 1/3. Last one, starting with my leftmost dot, it looks like I'm going down 7 over 4. That fraction cannot be reduced, so that's my final answer. Doing a couple more, looking at number 5. Looks like I'm going down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I go down 6 over 0. This is also a straight up and down line, so it is undefined. If I were to put negative 6 ABC 0 or negative 6 divided by 0 in my calculator, I'm going to get an error. Anytime you get that error, it's undefined. Starting with my leftmost dot, it looks like I go up 1, 2, 3, 4. Go up 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go up 4 over 8. That can be reduced to 1 over 2. Starting with leftmost dot, go down 1, 2, 3 over 1, 2, 3, 4. Cannot be reduced. Starting with leftmost dot, I go up 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 can be reduced to 2 over 5. Looking at number 9, leftmost dot, I go down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 1 can be reduced to just negative 4. Then for this line, looks like I'm not rising any or falling any, so 0 over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is going to give me 0. Otherwise, it's just a straight side-to-side line, which we already knew was 0. I'm going to stop here. There's a couple more examples if you need more examples to do your rise over run. Let me know if you have any questions.